So I highly recommend the PORTAVAC or the MiniVac 2 by Advantage Manufacturing. It's a great time saver on your pool route. You can also pick up jobs that you would normally pass on, and this will pay for itself with all the extra work you're going to pick up. In a portable filtration system like the PORTAVAC or MiniVac 2 by Advantage Manufacturing are a great way to do cleanups on your pool route. You would simply use the manual vacuum head and pool hose as if you were vacuuming it with the pool system. You would submerge it like normal. Then you would simply connect it to the front of the PORTAVAC. The PORTAVAC has a built-in check valve, so priming it is very easy. Then you would just simply plug in the PORTAVAC to an outlet. It comes with its own GFI for safety in case it overloads the breaker. And then you would simply turn it on and the pump will prime itself up. And now you can vacuum the pool just like you normally would do with the regular pool system. And depending on your specific needs would be the portable filtration system that you would choose. The PORTAVAC comes with a 1.5 horsepower self-priming pump and a 150 square foot cartridge filter. The MiniVac 2 comes with a 1 horsepower pump and a 100 square foot cartridge filter. So any of these two would be great for cleanups, green pool cleanups, or pools that have poor running filtration systems. Since these portable filtration systems work off of the self-contained pump and filter, there's no need to use the pool filter at the account. And so it doesn't matter if the equipment is running or if it's running poorly. With the portable filtration system, you can just about vacuum out any pool at any time. And you can pump out any pool with the PORTAVAC. This pool is not green, but it has a lot of dirt and leaves on the bottom. The system here is not running, so I'm going to go ahead and use the PORTAVAC to pump this pool out, clean it up. You can see that the PORTAVAC has no problem vacuuming out the dirt on the bottom of this pool. So if you service pools that get hit by a lot of dirt from the winds in a monsoon type area or the high desert, the PORTAVAC could be a great way to vacuum out the pools. You're not going to be using the pool's filtration system, so it's not going to get the filter dirty. You'll be vacuuming out these pools with a lot of dirt in the green pools directly to waste mode, and you won't be putting the water back into the pool. So the pool will lose some water as you're vacuuming them out to waste with the PORTAVAC. So just be aware of that. You may lose half an inch or an inch of water. So you can see this pool here looks a whole lot better. So it'll be ready to go once the new pump is installed. So I've been using the PORTAVAC for a couple of years now for green pool cleanups and for cleanups on my route. This is definitely an essential tool for me, and it's a great way to clean a pool without using the pool's filtration system. I also have videos on my channel detailing both the PORTAVAC and MiniVac, the setup and use. And so you can refer to those videos to learn more about the PORTAVAC or MiniVac 2 by Advantage Manufacturing. InyoPools.com has been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have the parts delivered right to your door.